This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You sign into your Astroline account right away. Make sure you have your password and the billing card ready. Once logged in, go directly to Account, then Subscriptions or Billing. Don't wander through menus. You locate the active plan and press Manage or Cancel. This opens the cancellation flow, and you're now past setup and starting the process you need. You work through the mid-steps methodically. Pick a cancellation reason and decide if you want to pause or end the subscription. Then look at prorated refunds, the next billing date, and any minimum term charges so you understand money back. Once you disable auto-renew, confirm the changes. Astroline will often send a verification code or email. Enter that promptly, and keep an eye out for a final confirmation screen. You finish by saving the cancellation confirmation, screenshot the ID and date, and put it somewhere safe. Then make sure to monitor your bank or card for any refund or a stop charge over the next 1 to 3 billing cycles. If something goes wrong, contact Astroline support immediately. Provide your account ID, the last 4 digits of the card, and the confirmation ID. This speeds resolution and prevents unwanted charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.